Hi! Today we will unbox, set up and test the Xiaomi A27i 27-inch Full HD 100Hz IPS monitor that I bought for my grandmother to use with her laptop. Until now, I thought that Xiaomi only made robot vacuum cleaners and phones, but it turns out they also make very good monitors. I can already tell you that not only will my grandmother use it, but I will too. The main advantages of this monitor include an IPS screen panel offering an excellent 178 degrees wide viewing angle, a 100 Hz refresh rate, a slim 7.5mm body with narrow bezels on three sides, easy wall mounting, 8-bit high color depth, and an amazing 99% sRGB color gamut with factory color calibration for each screen, HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4 ports. It also features tilt adjustment positions. If it also had height adjustment, I might start singing phrases, because this 27-inch display has already impressed not just me, but also my experienced and discerning grandmother. Now, I will get started on everything I promised in the video beginning to do with this monitor. If you have any questions while watching this video, feel free to leave them in the comments below.